Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do your own emo goth look. As always, we're going to start out with priming. And we're going to take some Wet n Wild products today. We're taking the eyeshadow primer and the face primer, both from the Photofoucus collection. I'm going to work on the eyes next. I'm taking this amazing palette from Blackcraft Night Fiend. I'm just going to dive into some shades here, and it's new. I haven't used it yet, so it's also a first impression. So I don't know if I'm going to use the brush that comes with it. Kind of looks a little bit cheap, but you never know. Sometimes the cheap brushes turn out to be pretty freaking cool, so you just never know. The brush actually feels pretty decent and soft, so I'm going to give it a try. My first shade that I'm going to use is from Eek. Right here, it's this really nice bone shade for my highlight right here on the brow bone. I'm taking the little brush that it came with because it kind of looks cool, and it feels pretty decent, so why not? The next shade I'm going to use is right here, and it's called Nightshade, and it's a super black shade, and I'm using that for my lid. Next up, we have Catacomb right here, and it's a lovely deep purple shade. I'm taking this shade and using it for the corner of my eyes right here, and bringing it a little bit down as well. I'm taking the shade Tarot right here, and I'm using that for inside the corner right here. I'm using this eyeliner brush to do that. I'm going to work on my eyeliner now. final step for the eyes is the mascara, and I have the Colossal Big Shot mascara right here. It's time for foundation, and I have right here the It Cosmetics in the shade medium, and this is what I'm going to use for my foundation, and it's an amazing CC cream, so it does everything in one. It's amazing. I love it, using it. I'm taking my fake Artiste brush right here. I'm not ashamed that it's fake. I'm not about to spend no $100 on some stupid brush. I could get the same for a lot less at the swap meet. So yeah, taking this and making magic. Well, I contoured my face, well, tried to off camera, and I used a combo of this highlighter right here from Wet n Wild. Not sure what it's called, White Raven. Right here, it has a little skull embossed on it. I don't know if you can see it. Then I used the Tru Blend contouring palette, and I'll try to link them down below. After foundation and contour, you want to settle your makeup, and I'm going to take the setting powder from NYX, and it's just a basic white setting powder. I'm just going to swirl my big huge poof brush and just gradually and just generously pat and hit my face with this. You don't want your contour and foundation to go bleh in the heat, so you want to preserve it as much as possible. And after this, we're moving on to lipstick, and I have an amazing lipstick palette to show you, and I'm going to use an amazing lipstick. I hope it's amazing, but it looks amazing. Okay, now, see? Quick, easy, simple. Go around. Voila! This is the liquid lipstick collection from Blackcraft, Black Night Fiend, or Fiend. And you open it up, and isn't the packaging beautiful? It's beautiful. But once you open it, you get a fabulous mirror with a skull embossing. Beautiful. Then you get 4 liquid lips, and I believe they're matte. Yeah, they say matte. And I'm taking the shade that I've been looking forward to using. If it ever comes out. Once again, these are new. And eyeshadows look pretty good. You'll know if it's really good if it's in my favorites video. That's how you ever know that things are good. I finally got it out of the package for once, and this shade is the black shade, and it's called Unholy, right here, and you can see it has a beautiful like insect. I'm not sure what it is, maybe a moth or a bee, something like that. I'm trying this one out because it's the most important shade, and sorry for the blinding. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use the mirror that came with it. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know. Okay. As you can see, wand fully covered. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Like weird chocolate. Like, ooh, strong chocolate. I don't know. It has like a chocolatey smell. Like fudge. I don't know. I just like to smell my lipsticks. What can I say? I'm a weirdo. Get used to it, people. Anyway, I'm going to see if this is a flop or a win. It's like really thin. So you can see that it's like super thin. I can't say if it's a dud or not until I wear it like today. So I'll let you know in the comment section or somewhere in the description down below if this is actually a good lipstick or not. I think that's the best that I can do with this lipstick. You can't really put on too much. I feel like it'll go everywhere. It'll just blob around. But it's really thin. We'll see how it works when it's dry. You might have to like wait for it to dry and then add layers to it. I'm not sure. I'll see. But that's the end of my video to show you how to do your own emo goth makeup look in case you're going out somewhere, you know, want to look emo goth fabulous. So thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to like it up, share it, and don't forget to press that notification bell, ding dong, and you'll be notified whenever I make a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday I'll be posting, so look out for that. Sometimes I post them a little late, so forgive me. I'm trying. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll talk to all of you next time, and bye everyone.